everyone, wherever you are. Sri Lanka playing India. It's the first Sri Lanka's favour. Charith Asalanka said
Russ, great to be here. It's a young Indian side, first time with full-time captain Surya Kumar.
This can come in, and Charith Asalanka, as you correctly said, and most importantly, Sri Lanka is going bowling side. As a batting side has been the problem, but LPL was a different story. The batters.
The on-field umpires, Ranjan Madugalla. Bat first, Abhinav.
I'm sure India would have loved to chase as well. Couple of years, especially the man to the right, Yashasvi Jaiswal. He'll go from ball one. Gill
said at different stages. They had the senior players who have...
and that's exactly what they look at someone like Shubman Gill to do. Strike rate of... It's an exciting opening combination for India. Jaiswal
was a part of the T20 World Cup but didn't play a game, Jaiswal. Shubman Gill, from the initial squad that was announced, 3 players have missed out. They're all seamers.
Straight to the 11, as you correctly said, Dilshan and Asitha. Great opportunity as for Sri Lanka.
Picked up 4, first ball. Jaiswal's on his way.
Extremely in with his eye in already. That's the beauty of feed him there. There are no sighters for him. Bang! First ball, 4. What a way to start.
Madhushanka usually gets it to swing late. Tries to bowl a little fuller, but no swing on offer for Madhushanka.
Bouncer with just a loose, and Jaiswal is someone who's a very strong square of the wicket.
Kirana and the 2 spinners in Wanindu Hasaranga and Mahesh Theekshana. Beans into it and commit on to that front foot.
5 bowlers. In case if Sri Lanka needs a 6th option, there is Dasun Shanaka. But the
he's fielding at short extra cover. Oh, lovely. All timing and...
almost usually closes, opens it slightly, ever so slightly to get the gap.
In Ferreira, there's no swing. Got to get your line. Loose ball, that slap. So 3 bound.
Madhushanka, last couple of deliveries, plenty of width outside the off stump. And having the seam position to swing it back, no swing. And the flies off the bat.
Oh, bottom edge, that's 4. Could have easily gone on to the stumps. Jaiswal gets a boundary.
And that's how Jaiswal plays. He likes to win. He wants to put the pressure inside edge, and Kusal Mendis had no...
Wrong with the delivery, but... he's missed out.
Both batters...
much straighter, much better.
I think it's very important. This will be on the slow slide, and quite evident in the last 2, even some of the drives, but...
Shubman Gill, on the other hand, is more...
Yeah, that's why I think this is a potent opening combination. 140 strike rate.
With hammered, they're dealing in boundaries.
Inside the off stump, it's flying off. Asitha Fernando possibly wanting to go across, as you correctly said, Abid. He's sitting behind, sitting back of the crease, and slapped it. This has been a good start for India.
Goes again, fielder in the deep. Keep for none. Very good. Over the top. That's the first 6.
Knew exactly what Theekshana... the carom ball which went away and right into the arc of...
Yes. Liner again, this could be a chance. Oh, it's gone down. Injury. A big over in the end.
Good bit of fielding.
Isn't it? He generally likes to go away in a cross and predominantly leg spinners. Much like this one, swept from the stumps. And gone 102 for 2 in 10 years' time. The innovation has been just magnificent. And what a way to start to cover. Nice looking shot right up there, asking to be hit for a batter.
Be much more straighter and the length has to be much more shorter from Kaminda Mendis, especially against Surya Kumar, who's at 360, but to keep him quiet, not give him easy runs over here.
Be interesting to see how Kaminda seen Hasaranga bowl slower through the air and been effective. The second ball. Is his strong arm, like, which is his natural arm.
Right arm, I would say. The way around, the roles have changed. He's a batter who could bowl a bit. So, but still, in these kind of surface...
Slow in the first innings, will it continue to be slow in the second, or will it get better? The dew factor...
Dew-rater just before the pitch report. And he did say that last couple of days, or maybe 3 days, there was no dew at all. They have taken the pitch completely equation.
9 runs coming off the Mendis over.
It's a new trend or new norm, perhaps, that India will utilize moving forward. Avi? Maybe coming in for the next over then. Bowlers always think it's out. It's always hitting the stumps. It's always pitched in line. Oh, great. It just rolls over and hits the Toblerone. Another boundary.
Pass. What Surya Kumar is doing well, he's playing the sweep shot from square leg up to mid-wicket. That's how good he is. Agonizingly just...
There you go again. This time in front, work for the deep to back boundaries for Surya Kumar Yadav.
This is why I said Surya Kumar can play the sweep.
And his rate of consistency with the sweep shot versus the other batters. You always end of the over, 122 for 2 after 11.